Physical quantities and measurement introduction. Measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with a certain basic, arbitrarily chosen, internationally accepted reference standard called unit. The result of a measurement of a physical quantity is expressed by a number or numerical measure accompanied by a unit. Use. A physical quantity is the property of an object that can be quantified. For instance, the physical quantities are the length of a rod or the mass of a body. Measurement is the act of comparing a physical quantity with its unit. The present SI has 7 base quantities: time, length, mass, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. The drawbacks of the measurements that have been identified are 1. Cost 2. Error 3. Modification of the measured object and even the measure itself 4. Unwanted side effects 5. Misinterpretation 6. Invisibilities. The advantages of the measurements that have been identified are: we can predict whether it is moving, its force, energy, whether it is charged or not. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell icon that you may not miss any video.